Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT 2025 test preparation part 1D. If you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in comment section. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और आपको MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और लाइक कर लें और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. थैंक यू. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. आउट ऑफ 200 different amino acids found in nature, how many are commonly present in proteins? Option A 20, B 25, C 40 and option D 35. So the correct option is A 20. Explanation is, while nature produces many amino acids, only 20 are incorporated into proteins. Peptide linkages are formed between option A nucleotides, B amino acids, C glucose molecules and option D sucrose. So the correct option is B amino acids. Explanation is, peptide bonds connect amino acids and protein chains. An amino acid that contains a disulfide bond is option A lysine, B methionine, C homocysteine and option D cysteine. So the correct option is D cysteine. Cysteine form when two cysteine residues oxidize to create a disulfide bridge. So this is very important MCQs. Branched chain amino acids are option A cysteine and cysteine, B tyrosine and tryptophan, C glycine and serine and option D valine, leucine and isoleucine. So the correct option is D valine, leucine and isoleucine. Explanation is, these three essential amino acids have branched aliphatic side chains. The normal range of serum urea is option A 0.6 to 1.5 mg per deciliter, B 9 to 11 mg per deciliter, C 20 to 45 mg per deciliter and option D 60 to 100 mg per deciliter. So the correct option is C 20 to 45 mg per deciliter. So explanation is, this is the typical reference range for blood urea nitrogen, which is BUN, blood urea nitrogen in adults. The normal range of serum creatinine is option A 0.6 to 1.5 mg per deciliter, B 9 to 11 mg per deciliter, C 20 to 45 mg per deciliter and option D 60 to 100 mg per deciliter. So the correct option is A 0.6 to 1.5 mg per deciliter. Explanation is, serum creatinine levels normally fall within this narrow range in healthy adults. Serum amylase is increased in option A acute pancreatitis, B acute pancreatitis, C pancreatic cancer and option D all of these. So the correct option is D all of these. Explanation is, amylase raises in pancreatitis, pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer is the enzyme leaks from damaged cells. So this is very important MCQs. Consumption of raw eggs can cause a deficiency of option A calcium, B lipoic acid, C biotin and option D vitamin A. So the correct option is C, biotin. Maximum rise in serum amylase occurs in option A, acute pancreatitis, B, acute pancreatitis, C, chronic pancreatitis, and option D, pancreatic cancer. So the correct option is B, acute pancreatitis. Explanation is the most dramatic amylase elevation occurs in acute pancreatic inflammation. So this is very important MCQs. Which among the following is a nutritionally essential amino acid for men? Option A, alanine, B, glycine, C, tyrosine, and option D, tryptophan. So the correct option is D, tryptophan. Tryptophan must be obtained from the diet, as human cannot synthesize it sufficiently. Which among the following is an essential amino acid? Is option A, cysteine, B, leucine, C, tyrosine, and option D, aspartic acid. So the correct option is B, leucine. Leucine is one of the 9 essential amino acids that must be obtained from the food. Which among the following is a basic amino acid? Option A, asparagine, B, arginine, C, proline, and option D, alanine. So the correct option is B, arginine. Arginine has a positively charged group at physiological pH. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. This amino acid cannot have optical isomers. Option A, alanine, B, histidine, C, threonine, and option D, glycine. So the correct option is D, glycine. Glycine lacks a chiral center as its R group is just a hydrogen atom. Sulfur containing amino acid is option A, glutathione, B, chondroitin sulfate, C, homocysteine, and option D, tryptophan. So the correct option is C, homocysteine. Homocysteine contains a thiol group in its side chain. The amino acid exists as vitamins when they are option A, solid state, B, acidic solution, C, alkaline solution, and option D, neutral solution. So the correct option is D, neutral solution. At neutral pH, amino acid exists as dipolar ion with both positive and negative charge. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. Collagen is very rich in option A, glycine, B, serine, C, aspartic acid, and option D, glutamic acid. So the correct option is A, glycine. Glycine makes up about 1/3 of collagen's amino acid content. So this is very important MCQs. All amino acids are optically active except option A, glycine, B, serine, C, threonine, and option D, tryptophan. So the correct option is A, glycine. Thank you for watching my videos.